Do I have the worksheet? I'm asking this question every day. Do I have the worksheet? Serious? Yeah. Facebook Live, Instagram Live. Yeah, here. In there. Hey. Can you hear? Testing, 1, 2, testing. Yeah, we can hear you, okay? But I'm getting the worksheet. Yes, I got a worksheet. Samuel. Yeah. Okay, morning people, it's time to do some work, right? It's gotta put away your phone. People here, that includes you and you, right? Time to keep the phone. I know it's such a fine Sunday morning. Look at the sun, right? Shining bright here. So how are you, Blossom?
Okay.
Great. Okay, it's great, right? Today is a great Sunday. Where do you go yesterday? I forgot. You said something about competition, is it?
Like I went to, cause like my great grandmother's death anniversary is
Oh.
2 days in.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Okay, so I thought you went for some competition or something. Mix up with another student. All right. So what I'm going to do is we will continue here. All right. Revision of the easy algebraic questions. Okay. So just a quick recap. Okay. What have we done? We have done a lot of stuff, right? I told you all that these are repetitive things you need to know how to do. And we did try to repeat a couple of times. Okay, in fact we have done the complicated factorization, where you extract the whole group. You know, factorization usually the simple one. Okay, where's the simple one? Okay, the simple one is just to extract number. Okay, for example here, simple factorization, take out 5, right? Take out 6, Then we went on to the complicated one, where we take out entire groups, the whole bracket, right? We take out the whole bracket. Okay, so we're done with that. This is called factorized by grouping, and we're done. So we're now moving on to, we did substitution as well. Substitution means you substitute the ABC into the respective numbers into the respective ABC. Done that already. Now we're going to fraction. So fraction is something we have done before, but as I mentioned, we will always repeat, okay? Because do you remember how to do? Let's ask Samuel. No, you see Samuel don't remember. So you remember how to do? This combining two fractions. You remember how to do? Yeah, so let's say yes. Samuel, how come you don't remember how to do? Why? Have you done this in school, Blossom?
Yeah.
Oh, see, done already, right? It's a Sec 1 syllabus for sure. Okay, and Samuel has a new phone. Is that a new phone? Oh gosh, looks like a new phone. You have a new cover. Not new cover. How can it look so new now? Oh, okay, right. Okay, so we're gonna do this right now. Okay, as usual, I'm just gonna do the first one. All right, and then you will continue. Look at that. It's a big bunch of stuff. Okay. Oh, David is not here. I don't know where is he. Okay, so we're gonna combine these two. Now, how to combine these two? We have to first find the common denominator. Okay, what's the common denominator between 2 and 3? Samuel? Common multiple? 6. So to make it 6, here I got the times 3. Here must times 2. Now if I times 3 here, the top, and that thing also times 3, and here times 2 as well. Okay, so what do we get? So the whole thing here times 3, right? We're gonna get 15x. Take away 9y over 15. Say what? 15, sorry. 6 plus 4x plus 8y over 6. So once the denominator, you see, this one done already, right? I don't need to look at it again, I just look at here. So once the denominator is common, I can now add the two of them over 6, yeah? So 15x plus 4 becomes 19x, and minus 9y plus 8y becomes negative y. That's the final answer. Okay? Combining equations. So we shall kick off our morning exercise with a simple combining fraction. This is the example. Can you hear Samuel? Also, can you hear Samuel? He gave out a very loud breath. He was like, ah. Right. Are you okay, Samuel? Are you alright? Is that your brain talking? Is that testing? Is that your brain talking or is that you? Oops. How come got echo? Testing. Testing. Okay, never mind. No more. All right. Please do the next one. B. B. Okay, we gotta get this right. Okay. I've said it many times, right? We need to make sure we are good with this. That's right. So what we do is we want to convert this to 12, right? So times 2, so times 2, so here times 4, times 4. Right, so we're gonna get 12a plus 10b over 12 minus 8a minus 4b over 12 plus 4a minus 2b over 12. Okay, so now you look at the A. So the 12 here, 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 plus 4, so it's 8a. And then with 8a. And then after that, 10b. 10b minus 4b become plus, right? So it's 14b. 14 minus 3, 11b over 12. Okay, final answer, do you get this? No, 7, why? Huh? Why? What do you get? So, why? 8a plus 11b over 12. Blossom, you get this?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, that's correct. Samuel, can you tell me what do you do? do you want to debate this answer?
No.
Why? No, but why if I got 10 mistake? What do you get?
8a minus 3b.
Why do you get minus 3? Is it you?
Like 10b minus 4b.
But the minus must remember the minus becomes plus. Okay, the plus times minus is still minus. Sorry? Minus becomes plus, so it's plus. So 10b plus 4b, so it becomes 14b. And then after that, this is minus, that's 14 minus 3. Okay? Okay? Now you know what to do, alright? Moving on. So Celeste, which part did you get wrong? Oh, same thing, alright? So we're going to see this a lot. So you will see this until like, I don't know. I mean, you will see this minus thing, right? All the time. So if you keep getting the same error, you will keep getting the thing wrong, right? And I'll just keep saying again and again. Okay, so next one. Yeah, what happened? Let me go and catch him. I asked him, he said he was sleeping. Okay. I think you might be wrong. Okay, never mind. Let's try, right? So the next step is this. This when we after we multiply 6 here, multiply 4, multiply 3, we get this thing. So here and this part here. Now we will combine all the x. So this is 12x plus 12x, which is 24. 24 minus 15. One more time, I see 12. 12. Look at all the x. This is minus 12. So it's 12 plus 12 minus 12. So the answer is 12. That's only 12x. How do you get 27x? Samuel, how do you get 27x? How did you get 27x? This is 12 plus 12 minus 12. 12 plus 12 minus 12. Isn't it 12? Okay, then we look at the y, right? So 12y minus, take away 8, so we left with 4. Then here is minus 15. So minus 15 becomes plus 15. So it's 4y plus 15. So it's plus 19y over 12. Final answer. So much like confidence, right? Hey, Samuel, which one did you get wrong? How is that possible? 12 where? This one? Is plus, huh? Because minus become plus, huh? Minus become plus 15, right? So it's 4y plus 15, so become 19y. Blossom, which one did you get wrong?
I times wrongly. That's
Oh,
why
multiply wrongly. Samuel, which one did you get wrong? As I said, right, we're going to spend time on this, okay? This is the thing that will appear. If you don't do it correctly, obviously you get it wrong. How, Samuel? No, let me see. Go.
Oh, 15y.
What?
I make a 15y equals 15x.
You put 15x. Oh, man. See that? Play game, play some more. Right? We should mother watch it. Play some more, Samuel, play some more. X become Y. His mother watches our videos, right? In case you don't know. Hi, Mom. Hi, Samuel's mom. Hey, where is it? Hey, what's the next one? Sorry. Let's go next. Okay, I want to move on, right? Move on to the next type. Now here is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. Alright. So if we need to divide, okay, what do we do? So here is a divide, right? So in fraction operation, we know that for division, we have to change it to times. So we change to times, we will flip the thing. So 2ab squared over 9. Okay. And then once we have this flipped, what we do is we will multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 3 times 2 becomes 6. ab squared divided by 4 times 9, 36, a squared b. Okay, so once we have this, we can do cancellation. What is the cancellation? So between 6 and 3, right? I'm left with a 2 at the top. B squared can cancel off. Yeah. So the A cancel off. Okay. Sorry, this is 36. It's not a wrong number. It's not 2. Okay, it's 1 over 6. Because 6 and 36 can cancel off. And then after that, A cancel off 1A. So we're left with A at the bottom. And B cancel this. So we're left with 1B at the top. Right? So it becomes B over 6A. Samuel, you know how to do this, no? You know how to do this? What? You know what I'm talking about? Okay, have you done this in your school? Multiplication and division. Huh? Oh, you finished algebra already? Oh no. Okay, we're still at algebra. Because I need to make sure you all know how to do it. Okay? How about this? Do you know? Samuel?
I think so.
You think so, right? Blossom, do you know what I'm... I see. So they do the very simple one. But you know what's the problem? The problem is the exam will come out. That's always the case. You know what I mean? They will give you the simple thing, then after exam, boom. Oh, okay. Interesting, right? Alright, so the problem is during exam they will just come up with this, okay? Okay, I want to skip this first, right? This seems like a bit tough for you. Look here. Let's go to here. So if x plus 3y equals to 2z minus 5, find y when x equals 3 and z equals to 2. So you want to do substitution. Just put x equals 3 and then y equals z equals to 2. Then you try to find y. Okay, this is easy. Right, easy with equation. Then the next one is just follow instruction. Subtract this from this. That means you take this thing, you minus this one. Okay, this whole thing put here. Alright, let's go here. So this one minus this one, take away. So it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so the rest B as well. You just listen to. Just read the instruction, right? You say this and this. Subtract this and this from the sum of this and this. So you need to take these two, add together. Add these two, then minus the first one, and then minus the second one. That's it. Okay, you're going to see this stuff. Okay, so can you work on this right now? Oh, no more. This is the last one. Okay, can you work on this right now? I'm going to print the next question. X equals to 3 and z equals to 2. So I will substitute everything inside, which means the x will be 3, y is unknown, but then the z will be 2. So what do I get? I get 3 plus 3y equals to 4 minus 5. Okay, I'm going to move it here. Very messy. Okay, I'm going to move it here. So I get 3 plus 3y equals to negative 1. Okay, so for this question, remember we talked about the shifting from left-hand side to right-hand side thing. All right, so left-hand side, this number 3 is going to go to the right-hand side. So it will become 3y minus 1 minus 3. So 3y equals to negative 4. Y equals to negative 4 over 3. Okay, that's the final answer. Right, so you see, we need to revise again. If not, you will forget one about the shifting left, right thing. Next one. Okay, please copy quickly. Minus 3. Okay, we check and see. Okay, next. 14a. So 14a, subtract this from this. So this thing obviously will rainbow in. So 4x squared minus 12x minus the whole thing, okay, which is 2x cubed plus 5x minus 3. All right, so that's what the equation is. Subtract this from this, okay, from this whole thing. Okay, yeah, then. Okay, subtract this from this. So now we want to open up bracket. We get 4x squared, take away 12x, take away 2x cubed. Now the minus rainbows in, right? So everything becomes negative, minus 5x plus 3. Okay, next. Now here you need to add, what? Minus rainbow in, right? So become negative 2x cubed minus 5x plus 3. So next you need to know that this x squared is a term by itself, x is a term by itself, x cubed is a term by itself, right? There's nothing else you can do for the x squared because it's just one term by itself. There are no other x squared terms. Next, x cubed is also by itself. There are no other x cubed terms. Okay, so you cannot execute them. And then finally, look at the 12x. So it's negative 12 minus 5, so we get negative 17. Negative 17x and plus 3. This is the final answer. Okay. So you could have made a mistake because you went to evaluate this x squared with x cubed. There are two different things, three different things, right? You see, this is x squared, this is x cubed, this is x. They're all three different terms, three different terms. So we are not going to execute them together. Got it? Okay, please quickly copy this. I'm going to go to B, then I'll do the package. So you want a new full scale mistake. Okay, next one. So for B is slightly more complicated. I'm going to take this away, right? B, there are multiple steps. We need to do different steps first. First one is the sum of this and this, right? So I need to add these two together first. So when I add these two together, look at all the term, x squared term. So it's 5x squared minus 3x squared, so I'm left with 2x squared. And after that, look at the x term. So it's negative 8x minus 4x, so it's minus 12x. And 9 plus 10, so it's plus 19. Okay, so I'm done with these two. So these two added together, you get this thing. So what else am I supposed to do? This and this, subtract this and this from the sum of this. So basically it's this one. Take away 4x squared minus 7x plus 5. And take away this again. This one again, huh? So 3x minus 6x squared minus 2. Okay, so this one, take away this, take away this. Now, remember the term thing. You see, now I'm teaching something that's advanced already, right? Because you are not newbies and this anymore. It's already April, okay? Middle of April. So how do we look at it? Now, first, let's identify all the x squared terms. See, x squared, x squared, x squared. All right? So this is 2x squared, positive 2. Now, positive 2 minus 4, what do we get in our brain? 2 minus 4 becomes negative 2, right? I'm sure that was in your brain, right, Samuel? You just don't dare to say, all right? Minus 2. So minus 2x squared. See, it's still in my brain, no? I'm not writing out yet, right? Minus 2x squared. And then here minus 6. What's minus 6? Become plus. So negative 2 plus 6 in my brain. The answer is 4x squared. Can you see that? I save so much working. Doing mentally. Next one. Let's look at the x squared term. So identify all the x squared term. Sorry, identify all the x term. So x term, x term. Okay, so we have a negative 12x, right? Minus 7. Minus 7, so become plus. So minus 12 plus 7 is negative 5. So in my brain, it's a negative 5x. And then here is minus 3, minus 3. So negative 5 minus 3, what does it become? Negative 8. Right? Yep. Okay. Moving on to the last term. So what's the last term? The last term is the number. We have 19, 5, and negative 2. But don't forget this minus comes in. And this minus also comes in here. Right, so let's start with 19. So I have 19, take away 5. So what's 19 take away 5? 7? 14. So I have 14, right? In my mind, 14. 14 minus 2. That means 14 plus 2. So plus 16. Okay, so can you see that I save a lot of ink, I save a lot of paper, but I use my brain power to do it. That's the final answer. Simple. It's not that difficult. Okay, you just gotta do it more times. Okay, so this is our algebra practice. Right, revision. All these are the focus on algebra. What we're going to do now is I'm going to go on to a practice paper. Okay, now check your B again. B not correct. This paper one is the easy one, easy paper. Okay, so you have all the short questions, short and sweet stuff. 21, are you sure? Okay, what do we do first? 8 minus 5, right? 8 minus 5 goes to 3, right? Then 3 times 3, right? So 10, take away 9, right? Answer is 1. Answer is 1. This is 1. Okay, next Blossom. 2A, Blossom. Then Samuel 2B. Wait, Samuel, do you know the significant figure? Do you know what is significant figure? Oh, very good. You do 2B. Blossom, any answer for 2A?
0.03.
3, 8. Okay, where's my let me check the answer. I have the answer. Yeah, 0.03 is correct. Okay, Samuel?
0.0381.
0.0381. Yeah,
Which one is the fraction?
this is an old calculator. The ABC is a fraction. So 1 over 2 is half. Okay, yeah, correct, these two. Okay, next one is, so that's question 3. Given that the numbers are, find A, B, C, D, wow, so many. Okay, so that's, okay, then after that will be, what? Yeah, that's mixed number. So it's 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2 over 3. One, two, three. Then put a minus. So you keep going like that, okay? So it's faster. Samuel, this one is you. No, this is blossom, right? 4 is blossom. Then you are 5.
I'm 5A.
Huh? You're 5A, you're 5A. Then Celeste 5B. You have a calculator? I don't have. But mine is gone. Eaten by someone.
So what is the negative 1 in decimal?
Negative. Okay, you see, 1 and 2 thirds is decimal is 1.66666. Right? So negative, this will be like negative 1.6666. Yes, come. So that's what answer 3.
A is negative 1.
And 2 thirds, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, then B, negative square root 3. C,
Then 3.14.
okay, 3.14 double dot. You know double dot what it means? Repeat, 1414. Okay, D, pi. Awesome, it's correct. Okay, 3 is correct. Next one. 4. Blossom, do you know how to do significant figure? Are you taught?
Forgot how to do.
Oh, I forgot. Okay. So, do you have any answer for this?
13.5.
13.5. Okay, 13.5 is not, wait, by writing each number one decimal value. Okay, this the working isn't like this. Okay, so let me show you how it works. Yeah. So you see, we need to change all the ones in figure. So let's have you done significant figure. Okay. So if you look at 59.4, right? What is 59.4 in one significant figure? 60. Okay, it's 60. Then 0.49, one significant figure is 0.5. And 2.16 over the one significant figure is 2. So we end up with 60 times 0.5 is 30. 30 divided by 2, answer is 15. Okay, so it's not 13.5, it's 15. So you have to change, because they specifically say each number must convert to one single figure. So you need to convert this to this, then you get 15. Okay, so final answer is just 15. one similar figure. Where so you have to look at the first similar figure, which is 5, this is 4, this is, okay. Next one. Samuel.
Minus 1,503.
Minus.
I don't think that's called.
Okay, so we do substitution right here. 5 negative 3 squared minus x is 4. 4 times of negative 3 cubed. Okay, what does this become? So minus 3 squared is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Negative 3 times 9, right? It's 45, right? Correct or not? Yeah. And then how about this negative 3 cubed? Negative 3 cubed is 27. Negative 27. So it's 4 times of negative 27. Okay, then 45 minus 4 times of
153.
153. You mean this 153?
Yes,
And then 153. Okay, yeah, 153 is correct. Next one. Okay, how about B? B is left again. 1. Substitution. I'm going to wait for you all to do, okay? Substitution. A is done.
I don't know how to use this.
Hmm? Can you know do? Finish. What's the answer for B?
I just feel like talking.
Ah,
No, I don't know how to use the calculator.
no, take this divide by this first. Then plus this divide by this. You can do it two ways. What's x? Can make it this way. What's x? X is 4. So 4 over negative 3. Then plus negative 3 over 4. And oh no, you got stopped by the calculator. So see this? Negative 2 and 1 over 12. 1 over 12. Okay, next one. Okay, good. Next. Okay, factorize the following, right? Whose turn is it? Blossom. 6, 8. What's the answer for 6, 8?
2 then bracket 2m and 2n.
Is that the final answer?
Oh wait, 4 then bracket m and
Yeah, if you take out 4, take out 4. 4 n minus n. That's it. Okay, next one, Samuel. 6b.
5a bracket 3x minus 4y plus 2a.
Yeah, very good. That's correct. Okay. These two are correct. Dong, dong. You see 1 mark, right? Easy to score, no? If you don't know, then you're stuck here, and then you don't get a 1 mark. It's so irritating, right? It's such an easy one. Okay, next. So that very fast. I come back to you again. 7. How to solve? Let me give you a tip, okay? The 3 is 3 whole over 1. Then you gotta do something called the cross multiply. Okay, done before, right? Samuel, do before or not? Have we done this before? Yeah, it's gonna come out again.
I forgot.
No. Okay, now we shift the. After you is who? Blossom, right? Okay, Blossom, can you do 7? We shift the whole thing already. Blossom, do this 7. Then Samuel is 8. Samuel, and then Celeste here. Yeah. Okay, Blossom, 7. You know how to do 7?
Still
Yeah,
do.
okay, good. Okay, work on it, okay? I help you play. Come, give me. Play non-stop. Oh, what's that anything?
Answer is 4.
4, x equals 4. Okay, let's check, right? So how we do this is we do cross multiply. So the 1 times here and the 2x minus 5 gonna go over there. So 1 times 9 is just 9. Okay, and this 2x minus 5 times 3, we get 6x, take away 15. Now then the negative 15 gonna cross over to the other side. So it becomes positive 15. And we have 15 plus 9 plus 9 equals to 6x. So 6x equals to 24. X equals to 4. Very good. All right, it's well done. Can you see how this is done, Celeste and Samuel? Samuel, do you remember how to do this? Cross multiply, right? Then after that, find x. Just remember when you cross over, positive becomes negative, okay? Times becomes divide. That is the rule, quick rule. That's not the math logic, okay? But that's the quick rule to help us to remember how to do this. Next. Right? 1250. The number is going to correct to the nearest, right now the least possible number. 1250. Correct to the nearest 100. 1250. 1249. How will you do? You did this one. You get 1250? Yeah, 1250. Okay, second one. Without using a calculator, estimate the value of square root. Okay, so let me show you how this is done, okay? Square root 98, I can change to 100, right? Because that's the closest square root number. And 20.019 becomes 20. So square root 100 is 10. So I end up with 10 over 20, which is equals to half. Okay, so that's for B. Okay, next one. Next one is Celeste. Oh, this is angle with algebra. So Celeste here, and followed by Blossom. Blossom to B. This one Blossom. Samuel. Samuel. What do you do? Oh, Samuel. 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 Hey, you don't have to do, I give you more. Because you keep playing here everything. SSS. SSS. Okay, come. Any answer for A and B? Composite means not not yeah, what? Not prime. No, composite is just not prime. Composite means it's a combination of different prime numbers. Yeah, 4, 6, 8. That's composite number. That's integer is whole number. Whole numbers. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 is also considered an integer.
Is 3.1 considered integer?
No. 3 is integer. So the next one, hey, you can, if you're supposed to do this also, no, question number 9, then you check, see whether you know how to do it. Okay, you don't skip everything, Yes, yes, been waiting for a long time, right? 52. Yay, very good. 82. Okay, how about B? Blossom, B. You have answer for Y? What?
Wait. Yeah, I'm still calculating.
Yeah, this one easy, vertically opposite, right? That's vertically opposite. So this whole thing is 180. You know how to do? Samuel? B. How to do? How?
190 minus 52.
90, why?
Because down there the minus 10.
It's not 90 degrees. It's 180.
Yeah, I'm not there, but the 2 minus 10.
I don't understand. I don't understand what you just said.
Okay.
46. Okay. Oh, how come? How come you get it so fast? Wait, how do you get it so fast? For me, the whole thing is 180. That means 2y minus 10 y plus y plus 52 equals to 180, right? Because this one straight line. Okay, so this whole thing is 180. Then you gotta shift around, right? So 3y minus 10 plus 52, so it's plus 42 equals 180. 3y equals 180 minus 42. What? Because no, basically this whole thing, this one plus this one plus this one, the three of that together should be 180 because it's a straight line. Wait, so 180 minus 42 is 138. Then we divide by 3. 46. That's all. Okay. You use the fact that the whole thing is a straight line. How do you do it?
I want 80 minus 52 first.
Then
get
these
the
two.
answer, then plus 10 to get 3y. And then
Yeah, same thing. I'm just doing it in the algebra form. Next one. Oh, Samuel again. List down all the irrational numbers.
like 2 things. Then the second one after 2.
Cube root 2.
Yeah. The one.
What else?
And the pi over 2.
Pi over 2. Very good. What is an irrational number? Samuel?
3.21 then.
No, I'm asking what is an irrational number.
Irrational number.
Yeah.
Nonsense at the back.
Okay, it's a number that cannot be expressed in the form of fractions. Okay, also known as got nonsense at the back. Okay, that's a good way. So pi is a nonsense at the back, right? But then you divide by 2, how come it's still irrational? Yeah, it's still nonsense, right? We got 2 nonsense, you divide by 2, you get 1 nonsense, it's still nonsense. Very good. Okay, composite number, which one is composite number?
3.21.
3.2. No? No. You can. Wait a bit. Okay, wait. Let's see the obvious one, right? So it's 44 square. I'm going to write C for composite. So 4 square, 27. Yeah, okay, do we consider fraction or wait, let me double check. Fraction, yeah, no fraction, right? So it's 4 square and 27. Okay? So 4 square and 27 are composite numbers. Then integers are whole numbers. So 0, 4 square, 27, and 29. Okay, that's the integer next one. Oh, sorry, you want to complain? Have you complained? What? No, we swapped already, right, just now?
Yeah, then I'm supposed to do A. Then the one I do everything.
Yeah, do everything. Then you want to do one more, huh? Do lah. What's the answer? A.
cube B cube B minus A.
Cube B minus A. How you write cube B minus A? Cube B minus A. No. B cube minus A. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, first one is correct. Next one, Celeste. Give me the algebraic form. 11B. The product of 2C and 3 by the square root of D. Yes, staring at it hard. Yes, stare harder. Product. What's the product of this and this? 2C times 3. Yeah, so we get 6C. Then they say divide this by the square root of D. What's square root of D? Square root D. Okay, so that's the final answer. 6C over square root of D. Okay, next one, Blossom. Multiply 3F to the sum of 4F and 5F.
27F.
Oh, we get 7F.
27F.
37.
No, 27F.
Oh, 27F. No, not correct. See, what's the sum of this and this? 9F, right? 4F plus 5 is 9F. Now you need to multiply it with 3F. So 9 times 3 is 27, but F times F is F squared. So it's 27F squared. Okay, you're using the square. Remember, alphabet times alphabet gives you the square. Next, 7 again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
9x minus 1 over
9x minus 1 over 12. So that's B. Wrong, man. 7 wrong. Wrong. Do again. Wrong. Samuel, Celeste.
x minus
10x minus 13.
15. Is it?
Oh, yes, correct.
Is mine 7x minus 1?
Minus 4.
Oh. It's of course
7x minus 4. Big game, huh? Big game? Oh, your mom watched this, right? Then be like, you play game, huh? What's she gonna do? You play game, play game during exam. During what? Doing homework. That's it, man. I recorded the whole thing already. You see? Yeah, wait, did I record? Yeah, I did. That's it. One fine day you come, then your mom is like, sit down. Why? I heard something. Yeah, here. I heard you were playing games. I got proof. Okay. Okay. So which one do you get wrong again?
Oh, no. X must become minus x.
Oh, you didn't put negative x. You didn't put, okay, so that's bad. Okay. All right. So that's all. Right. I think it's good to do revision. Okay, once in a while. I like to do revision of this type. See, because you see all your prime factorization, all this must still remember LCM, ACM, all this stuff. We will look at it again. Okay, so we got a couple more questions to go. I will be going through this. I think just like 2 more questions. All right, so next year I'll go through this again. Okay, and then I'll give you another paper. that would be like the paper 2, okay, where things become a bit more exciting over here. Yeah, it means more difficult basically. Oh, okay, that's all for today, right? Wish you had a great weekend. I know I'm gonna have a great weekend because it's not raining, it's sunny. I don't like rain. Yeah, I can keep the word here. Okay, raining is very troublesome. I can't go anywhere. Okay, bye, Blossom. Bye, see ya.